everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade liquid Castile soap. Okay, instead of buying the expensive stuff, I found a way how to make it much cheaper by using the bar Castile soap. Okay, $1 a piece, big lots. One of these with 4 cups of hot water, melt the shaved Castile soap, makes 1 quart of Castile soap. So I have been shaving down 3 bars so far in my container, and I'm just going to add in 12 cups of hot water, and then I'll stir it. And then you got to set it aside for about an hour and let it cool off. Okay, and then you can jar it up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a 5-gallon bucket. And why am I going to put it in a 5-gallon bucket? Well, because I plan on making a load ton of this stuff, because I like to make my own laundry soap, my own dish soap. You can also make your own body soap with this stuff, shampoo. So, you know, it's just, this stuff just has a lot of different uses, and it goes a long way, and it's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying the ready-made bottled up for $4 a bottle. So I just wanted to show you how I found a way to do it, and it'll save you a lot of money. It really will. All right. Now this grater here, I got it at the dollar store. You know, it's not, you know, an expensive one. It's a cheapie, because I'm not going to use my good grater that I use for my cheeses and stuff like that to be grating up soap. So let's just set that aside. Right here I have 4 cups of hot water. I have more on the stove, but if you can see, it's already starting to melt as soon as you put it on, and you want to stir it about. Alright, I gotta go get more water. Oops, hot water got on there. And once it sits with the hot water, it'll dissolve as well. But you just want to give it a good stir for a few minutes. And this stuff smells so amazing. It's like that fresh linen smell. You know that smell that I'm talking about? It just smells so darn good. This one right here that I had found at Big Lots, it's soothing aloe vera and coconut oil. So it just, I mean, it's definitely something that I would, you know, love to wash my clothes with, you know, make a body wash out of, make a shampoo out of. I mean, that's how good it smells. It's that fresh, clean smell. It's something that you want your whole house to smell like, you know what I mean? It's something that you would want to smell like. That's how good it smells. Let me go get the remainder of the hot water that's in the pot and dump that in. And like I said, after, you know, you stir this around a bit and you get the majority of it melted down, you're still going to have a few little clumpies, but those will melt. You want to set this aside for about an hour. And then if you're going to pour it into mason jars, pour it into mason jars. 1 bar and 4 cups of the hot water is for 1 quart. 1 mason jar quart, okay? But like I said, I'm going to be putting this into a 5-gallon bucket because I'm going to be using this for multiple uses, and plus I don't want to use up my mason jars. So, because those are, becoming harder and harder to come by. And from what I'm understanding from a lot of my subscribers, what they're telling me is that the stores are not going to be restocked with mason jars until March of 2021. So, and that's, it's saddening. It really is. So I'm going to be using a 5-gallon bucket, and that's just fine with me, really. Alright, I'm going to set this aside now for an hour, and then I'm going to pour it into my 5-gallon bucket. But this, because I love using my homemade laundry soap. I'll tell you, it makes the clothes smell so amazing. I've stopped using the laundry soap that I bought in store. I stopped using it. I don't buy Tide anymore. I really don't. I stopped using it because I learned how to make my own laundry soap. It just smells so much better. And to be honest with you, the clothes are cleaner. I still buy fabric softener and dryer sheets and all, but that's it. Okay, that's it. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope this explained to you how to make your own Castile soap. Wow, that's really hot. Have a great day. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. If you need to get a hold of me, you know how to get a hold of me. And keep prepping. Bye.